Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to 18.72 USD with this affiliate marketing program per sale you made. As you know, when it comes to affiliate marketing, you're always going to be making money as a part of commission or depends on the sales you have made. It is also important to search for the given affiliate marketing program that will be able to pay you the given amount of money which can be able to satisfy your needs. Also depends on the given affiliate marketing program and depend on the given sales they are having, depend on the product or services they are selling. Also you can have the given affiliate marketing program which is going to be able to pay the higher amount, and you can be able to have the one which can be able to pay the minimum, depends on also the services. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I have my computer, and also to be able to access this affiliate marketing program, which can pay you up to 18.72 USD per sale you made, we have to open our browser and go to our computer. What you need to do is to search for the platform which is called EatWiz. If you search for EatWiz, you're gonna be getting this platform. You can either be searching EatWiz directly or and type eatwiz.com. You can even type EatWiz, and also once you type EatWiz, you're gonna be getting this platform here. What you need to do, you're gonna be opening this platform and also explore different services they are providing, and also different series they are providing to the audience. As you can see, it's a ticketing platform where people can be coming here and book and buy their tickets. You can see there are a lot of services. You can see, for instance, this one is costing such amount of money, 234 euros. You can also be able to see this one is costing ELO to ELO166. You can see now it's a French macaroni workshop. You can see they are selling this one, and also you can see this one is costing this amount. If you're gonna be able to see all of this stuff, you can even see they have also destinations where you can be able to click and see. For instance, let's check for the London. Once you go into London, so you're gonna get different services there in London, and also you're gonna see the pricings and the plans that you can be able to purchase, to pay, and also be able to visit this location. So now what you do is to ensure that you sign up with the affiliate marketing to be able to make money on this platform, because you'll be making money as you refer some audience to come and buy the given subscription or come and buy the given services on this platform. So to be able to join the affiliate marketing program here, you need to come and scroll down to this platform. You can see at the bottom left there is also a become an affiliate option. This is the one I'm gonna be clicking it to, and also clicking on this option, you can see they give me different kind of information, including an attractive commission, which is a minimum 80% commission on every order you made, with an average order of 220 USD. You are granted a good deal. You can also see grow your audience. You can apply by going here to blows at eatwiz.com. You can also, now they are explaining the different details that you can be able to use here. Now let's say that you can be able to earn 80% commission, and also let's go back and see different package they have. Try to calculate and see how much money you can be able to earn. If you can be able to earn also this amount of 80% as commission. Let's see this one. Let's take this one as the one which is costing high on this platform. As you can see now, you can see we have this one is costing 234 euros per this package. What you can do is to calculate this one over 8%. If we take this one and multiply by 8%, we're gonna get 18.72 euros, which is a big amount of money you can be able to get by this sale. And also you can be able to calculate and other sales you have here and see the given amount of money you can be able to make if you decide working as an affiliate partner to this program or to this platform. So if you want to sign up, what you do, again, we go down here, and also as I showed you, you can click here to become an affiliate. And also once you click on become an affiliate, you're gonna be getting different services here. What you do, we have to click on this option which is called join an affiliate program. And also after clicking on join an affiliate program, you can even join travel payouts on travel payouts. Also, well, as you are on the platform, you can join here directly. Now I have to join the program. You can see it is gonna be now directing me to Awin. As you can see, this is partnering with Awin, which means you can apply the affiliate program by passing through Awin. And also, as you can see, they are specifying here that you can receive up to 10% commission for all bookings which are made through your affiliate link. And also what you have to do is to read all these actions. You can see the terms and the conditions regarding this affiliate marketing program. You can see there is a PPC, pay per click. You can see you have to read it all. You can see transactions, how it is gonna be going. You can see branding. You can see notice periods. You can see publishers. Now they have all information that you can be able to have also to understand this affiliate marketing program. You can also see the deprecation, what is allowed, what is not allowed. All this information can help you understand better this affiliate marketing program you're gonna be joining, and also you can be starting working effectively. So now by going back a little bit to understand how you're gonna be signing up, let's try to go back a little and also show you how you're gonna be proceeding with your sign up session. As you can see, I'm on Awin, ui.awin. So if you are used to have Awin account, you don't need to create a new one. If you have also an Android account, you can be deciding to log in, and also once you're logged in, you're gonna be proceeding with your signing up. Here is there are two options that you have to use. And so they are showing you them. The one is this which is also sign up and join a program, or log in and join a program. If you already have an account on awin.com, so you awin.com, what you need to do, you have to come here and log in and join the program. But if you don't have an account, you need to sign up and join the program. So I think you can be able to understand this, because if you are new to this platform, you can also click here and sign up. And also once you are done signing up to Awin, you can see you can either sign up with your Instagram freelancer if you have an account, or you can join Awin and start as an affiliate marketing. Normally, also you can be clicking here to log in if you have an account. And also this is going to be helping you to be able to apply to these services which is it is. And also Awin as other affiliate marketing partners or affiliate marketing platform where you can be able to apply different affiliate marketing platforms from there. It is also a great way for you to enroll and also to sign up, so that you can be able to access different affiliate marketing possibilities and different affiliate marketing programs that can be helping you to maximize your passive income, and also that can be helping you to continue earning with different affiliate marketing program. So once you are done signing up, also you can be able to proceed with the application. So thank you for watching this video. This is how you can be able to also to make this amount of money on Eatwiz. And also once you are done also signing up, you can be enjoying our hide. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to like this video, share this video to our friends. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Remember to turn the notification button so as you always get notified whenever we apply a new video here we upload a new video here at Max TV.